enemy. In a world that tried to teach me how to be tame, they built a high-wall city and they paved the open road, trying to make me carry all their heavy-duty load. My blood is made of gravel and my heart is made of pine, and I ain't ever gonna walk that narrow-minded line. There's a compass in my conscience and a fire in my chest, and I'm finding my salvation in a land of no rest. Oh, I'm an unchained soul running through the dark,